Good morning, Trinidad and Tobago and the rest of the internet. I want to share a discovery that I made that has me feeling cool, figuratively and literally. We installed a new AC and I discovered that it has Wi-Fi connect and I would be able to control the AC with an app on my smartphone. So next time you are looking to install an AC, ask if it has Wi-Fi connectivity. The brand we bought was Comfee. I have MAC address filtering on my router, and you can get the MAC address of the AC from the QR code sticker at the back of the remote. The QR code is used when you configure the AC with the app. I noticed a self-clean button for the AC, which was not on the old AC. The old AC is also comfy and 7 years old. There is also a turbo/boost function to cool down really quickly. The app that the AC works with is called Nethome Plus. It was very easy to download the app and add the AC, but I thought, what stops a neighbor from downloading the app and adding my AC? Turns out you have to change to AP mode first with the remote to configure and add device. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant. I am able to turn off and on the AC and set the temperature with voice commands. The app shows the room temperature as it is being cooled. I wish it could report on the outside temperature also. Then I would be able to set up an IFTT to tweet out the outside temperature at certain times as something cool to do. The app also supports schedules and sleep mode. But I have no need for this as I do not sleep with the AC on. Share your experience with your Wi-Fi connected AC and what cool things do you do with this. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.